First-time homeowners, if you want your air conditioner to keep conditioning your air, you gotta clean out your condensate drain line every 1 to 3 months. Oh, also, your air conditioner has a condensate drain line.
Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably didn't do this either. Your HVAC system's condensate drain line, also known as your AC drain line, collects accumulating condensation from your air conditioner and channels it away from your house. Over time, this line can become clogged with dirt, dust, dead bugs, and other debris, becoming a breeding ground for mold and bacteria, and possibly resulting in a backup, which could cause water damage to your home. Prevent all this by keeping your condensate drain line clean and clear. Follow these 8 simple steps. Turn off your HVAC unit and cut the power at the breaker box. Find your condensate drain line, typically a length of vertically oriented PVC pipe located near your indoor HVAC unit. Some units are covered by a cap. If yours has a cap, remove it to access the drain line. If it doesn't, you can proceed to the next step. Clear out any visible blockage with a latex-gloved finger or long slender implement like a screwdriver. Pour a half a cup of distilled white vinegar into the drain line. Wait 30 minutes to an hour. Flush the drain line by pouring a half a cup of water in. Check the outside end of the pipe to ensure it flows freely. And there you have it. Your condensate drain line and your conscience are clean.